some of this metallic braid and made one pass, and that's going to be the center with my little tool, pushing it, make sure everything lined up, and then we'll continue on with wrapping different colors to make the pattern. Now that we have two passes on the first line, we're just going to go ahead and tighten those up, make sure everything's straight, and then we'll start the next two lines on the top hand side of this. So here's the look with two wraps of 3 colors. Okay, now we got all the wraps finished. We're going to go ahead and start the end to close it off, and then we'll cut all these little fibers off. I'm going to start the wrap going backwards about a little over a 1/2 inch, starting on this diamond point and wrapping back to this little red mark that I made. And then, all right, once you're about halfway to your stopping point, we're going to go ahead and start cutting off all of these and clipping these threads short. And there's what the final product looks like on this end. Now I've just got to go do it to the next side. And we're going to go ahead and finish it off with some of this epoxy thread finish. It's a 1-to-1 mixture, so I'm going to do 3 milliliters of each and get this section done. Now I'm going to need to stir this for 5 minutes until it's clear. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start at the end. Take a little bit of epoxy. Just apply a thin coat. Let it all soak in. Okay, so now we're going to start the top section, wrapping all the guides. I've got these spaced out evenly across the tip. And I already started here with the little decorative cap on the ferrule that matches the butt section, and started the first eye. And these are snake eyes. And I've made a center line right here with some tape to match all the other lines that I've made. And then we're going to go ahead and start just like we did the bottom section. We'll start with each eye and make sure they're centered and go on down the line. I'm going to go 5 full wraps before I start coming up on the ramp for the eye. Lock that in. And there's 5. it just starts to want to creep up. Hold that. And then we'll just trim this off. Good to go. Now it's ready for the gold band. We're going to go ahead and do this side, and then we'll come back for the trim bands afterwards. All finished up with the wrapping. An arbor for it to fit in the dryer. We're going to take some of this tape and wrap it around the base right here to build it up to where it'll fit in the dryer. Now we just got to wait till it dries. And we should be all good.